In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit shortcuts on Snapchat. So first is to open your Snapchat account or application, and then just take a photo or any video. Just tap on that big circle button. And then once you're done, just click send to. Now in here, for us to find the shortcut, because this has been updated already, you can just tap on that plus button. Yes, that's where the shortcut is, the plus button. And all you have to do is just to choose here your friends list, among your friends list, on who do you want to make a group. So you can create a shortcut with this, and then you can choose a single emoji character, so like this one, and then create shortcut. Now once you're in there, you can see that one on the top left, that emoji. It means this is your shortcut for the specific people that you have chosen, and you can send them right away that picture or video. Now if you want to delete that, you can just click the shortcut again, that plus button, click on this emoji icon where you have the shortcuts or the people that you have chosen, tap on the right up top right and click delete, and you can always make a new shortcut by clicking that plus button again and do the same process. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe.